Finally, Krishna shares this to Yudhishtra. There are some 10 verses, and I'll complete that soon. Vishnu Ruvacha, Krishna says to Yudhishtra, Aditya Chandra Vanila Nalaucha Dyaur Bhumir Apo Vasavota Vishve Dataryama Shukra Brihasparta Cha Rudrak Sasadya Varunota Gopaha Brahma Shakro Maruto Brahma Satyam Veda Yajna Dakshina Vedabaha Somo Yashta Yacha Havyam Havischa Raksha Diksha Samyama Yecha Kechit. He gives a big list. Oh Yudhishthira, please listen. Aditya, Chandra, wind, fire, heaven, earth, Vasus, Vishvedevas, Datri, Shukra, Brihaspati, the Rudras, the 11 Rudras, and Sadhyas, Brahma, myself, Shakra, the Upanishads, Maruts, the Vedas, sacrifices, Brahmanas, and the Rakshasas, and all kinds of people who practice strict vows and rigid fasts. And then he continues, Swaha Vaushad Brahmanak Saurabeyi Dharmam Chagryam Kalachakram Balam Cha Yasho Dhamo Buddhimatam Stitischa Shubha Shubha Ye Munayascha Sapta Agriya Buddhir Manasa Darshanecha Sparshas Chagriyaha Karmanam Yacha Siddhihi Gana Devanam Ushmapah Somapascha Lekaks Suyamas Tushita Brahmakayaha. And then he continues from there. Swaha, Vaushad, Brahmanas, the celestial cow, Nandini, time, wheel of time, strength, fame, steadiness, intelligence, goodness, badness, the 7 rishis, Soma, clouds, everything. And then those who, those who are longing for having the vision of Mahadeva, those who are practicing diversified vows, those who are in yoga, those who follow Sankhya, the Suparnas, Gandharvas, Pishachas, Yakshas, Charanas, Danavas. And then he goes on to say, Stulam, Sukshmam, Mrudu, Chapya Sukshmam, Dukkam, Sukam, Dukkam, Anantaram cha, Sankyam, Yogam, Tatparanam, Paramcha, Sharva, Jatam, Vidhi, Yat Kirtitam me. Tat Sambhuta Bhuta Krito. He says, all the, good and bad, everything. Tat Sambhuta Bhuta Krito Varenyaha Sarve Deva Bhuvanasyasya Gopaha. Bhuvanasyasya Gopaha. Where does it come? Eko Rudro Nadvitiya Yatasturya Imam Lokan Ishata Ishanibihi Pratyanjanas Tishtati Samchuko Chantakale Samsrijya Bhuvanani Gopaha. Shvetashpatara Upanishad, 3rd verse. 3rd chapter, 2nd verse, and Atharva Shiras Upanishad also brings this mantra. And then he goes on to say that Tat Sambhuta, everything, whatever you see that is adorable around you, O Yudhishthira, all the protectors of the universe, including myself, and then Brahma and Indra and myself, and then he ends here, and then he says all these personalities. He started off with Aditya. He gives this big list, starting off with Aditya, Chandra, Soma, Surya, everybody. Everybody, the Pishachas, Rakshasas, Yakshas, Kuberas, and then he also includes himself and Brahma and Indra, everybody, whatever wonders that you see around you. And then he completes by saying, Avishyemam Dharanim Yebhya Rakshan Puratani Tasya Devasya Srishtam. All these, O Yudhishthira, have sprung from the creator of the creators, Paramaheshwara. Everything, whatever I have, he gives a big list. This is a beautiful verse, 10 verses. It's present in the 18th chapter, 71st verse to the 81st verse. He gives a big list, and then he says, finally he says, everything has sprung from Maheshwara. Everything is a part and parcel of that Supreme Maheshwara. He ends. Everything including him, Brahma and Vishnu also, Brahma and Narayana also. So the source is Maheshwara. The Sarva Karana Karanam is Maheshwara alone and not anyone else. So Krishna shares that to Yudhishthira. And then Vichinvantas tapasa tatstaviyah kinchi tattvam prana hetor natosmi dadatu devaksa varani heshtan abhishtuto nah prabhur avyayak sada. And whatever I have mentioned, whatever I have mentioned, everything, the wise think of him with the aid of their penances. By doing terrible penance, they have the vision of Lord Shiva. And whatever I have mentioned is the cause, ultimate cause is Maheshwara alone. And then I bow my head into that Parabrahma, to the Supreme Reality. I bow my head, Krishna says to Yudhishtra. And then Prabhur Avyayaha, he says, let that immutable master, indestructible, Avyaya, he uses the word Avyaya. Avyaya means imperishable. Vyaya means perishable. Everything from the blade of a grass till Vishnu is perishable. But Mahadeva is Avyaya, imperishable. So let that immutable and indestructible master be adored by us always, and let him grant us desirable boons. Krishna says this. So let us adore, let us ask the boon that let we adore him always, and let him grant us various boons. Krishna says that. And then he ends by saying, Vedan Kritsnan Brahmana Prapnuyattu Jaye Vripah Partha Mahicha Kritsnan Vaishyo Labam Prapnuyan Naipunam cha Shudro Gatim Pretya Tata Sukam cha. And then whoever reads this Shiva Sahasranama, whoever reads the episode of Upamanyu in the Mahabharata, the Brahmana succeeds in reading, engaging in the Veda study. He gets the credit of reading all the 7 crore mantras in the Vedas, and the Kshatriya will be crowned with victory. The Vaishya becomes successful in obtaining wealth, and the Shudra attains happiness here and hereafter. Stavarajam imam kritva, last verse. Stavarajam imam kritva rudraya dadire manaha sarvadosha paham punyam pavitram cha yashasvinaha yavantyasya sharireshu roma kupani bharata tavantyabda sahasrani swarge vasati manavaha. Stavarajam, the king of all the mantras, Stavaraja, the king, Maharaja, Mahadeva is called as Maharaja, and this Shiva Sahasranama is Stavaraja, the king of all hymns. By reciting the king of all hymns, one get cleansed of all the sins that he has done, the crores and crores of sins that he or she has done for crores and crores of births. And then after setting Mahadeva alone in the heart, Mahadeva alone should be meditated in the heart. A man succeeds after getting his sins cleaned and meditating on Mahadeva, placing Mahadeva alone in the heart. He goes back to Mahadeva, Parakailasha, eternally, and he doesn't return. Nachapunara vartate, anavrittish shabdat, there is no return after that. So that's how it ends. And thank you. It was really great discussing this episode of Upamanyu, which has been like for 2 months. I have got a chance, I thank Upamanyu Maharishi for this, and also Parashakti and Paramashiva. And also I thank you guys, for listening to this. Everything is uploaded to YouTube. You can listen. There is also a playlist on Upamanyu Maharishi.